Now.
This was in a box at the top of my ceiling. So, yeah. I packed this shit up at the last minute. I want to try around this quick. I don't have enough, like, skill. I forgot to use it.
That's my foot, you dinkus.
I'm gonna try to drift around that word ball thing. Fuck yeah.
Hell yeah!
Yeah!
You should pass it to me. I'm throwing it back over there.
Rocket League got shit.
That's my foot you almost ran into.
Oh my god, wait, Rocket League. Shit. Wow, this shit's Rocket League.
And then if you want, bring it over to me. I'll throw it as far as I can. Because if we're going to play war, I'll play fucking war.
I am going to try to bring it back. I want to drift around it. Or power slide to just use all of it.
Hope you don't mind. This is going on YouTube, alright?
Okay. Ah, shit, hit it. Okay. Where is it?
Right here.
I'm looking at your phone. Alright,
It's now pointed. Yep.
Where is it? Hold on.
You dumb.
Oh, wait a minute. I got an idea. I want to try hitting it over the game. I'm not so good with this. I haven't touched it.
Damn, you got it in the goal. Shut. Is this like fucking Rocket League? Shut the fuck up. No one gives a fuck. $11.22, by the way.
I'm way better in video games, trust me, man.
That is so real. You trying to put it in the fucking goal again?
No, I'm just trying to hit it.
Damn, you just whacked that shit.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. No actual reason. Put it on.
You trying to bring it to me so I can throw it?
Am I trying to win?
You trying to bring it to me so I can try to throw it?
Oh, I think I know what to do next. Yeah, no. Yeah, okay, I think I understand.
Chat locked in. Damn!
I'm moving it. I don't want to...
You're trying to back into someone's bike?
No, I'm trying to lose it. I can't see it now. We did ask. Someone actually can't. And whoever threw that, thanks for the toy, man. Where is it?
It has it.
Oh my god, thank God. Hell yeah.
Chat, I think you crashed.
Oh, I guess. Oh, I hit it.
Alright, you want to bring it back over here so we can put it up real quick?
Yeah,
Right here. You want me to pick it up? I spoke. The fuck did it go? Oh shit, it's right there. Just push. Here you go, chat.
Thank you.